Men, enough with being nice. Nice gets you used, forgotten, discarded. This world doesn't reward kindness. It respects power, silence, and calculated dominance. If people treat you like garbage, you don't beg. You build, you burn, you become unforgettable. Let them regret ever thinking you were weak. Now listen close. Here are 15 brutal truths that flip the script. 1. Silence is a weapon. Stop explaining yourself. Every word you give them is power they didn't earn. Silence makes them uncomfortable, confused, and paranoid. Let them drown in the stories they create in your absence. 2. Rejection becomes revenge. Turn down every invite, opportunity, or favor they throw after using you. You're not a second option. Make your no louder than their past disrespect. 3. Outgrow, don't outarg. You don't win battles with words. You win by evolving. Change your body, your money, your mindset. Become the version of you they said could never exist. 4. Be unavailable on purpose. You were always there. That's why they took you for granted. Now, vanish. Let them sit with the silence where your effort used to be. 5. Be the villain in their story. Let them cry that you changed. Good. Be the monster their comfort created. Be the reason they question who they really lost. 6. Crush them with excellence. Every gym session, every dollar earned, every skill mastered. That's revenge. The more you win, the more they regret ever doubting your worth. 7. Never apologize for growing cold. You didn't get cold. They burned the bridge with lies, disrespect, and games. Don't explain your boundaries. Enforce them with steel. 8. Make your success quiet but visible. Don't post quotes. Don't talk about the grind. Just show up with a new car, a new life, and say nothing. Success is your silence screaming. 9. Erase them like they never existed. Delete the photos. Unfollow. Unfriend. Don't block. Let them watch. The absence of reaction will make them question their importance. 10. Be ruthlessly selfish. Stop bleeding for people who wouldn't scrape their knees for you. If they couldn't match your energy, they don't deserve your presence. 11th. Use their doubt as your fuel. Every time they said you wouldn't make it, write it down, frame it, tattoo it on your mind. Let it drive your every move until you bury their doubts in your success. 12th. Stop seeking closure. You don't need their sorry. You don't need understanding. Closure is a trap. Your peace begins the moment you stop begging for what they'll never give. 13. Treat them how they treated you, with distance. Stop trying to be better than them. Mirror their energy. Let them taste the cold you drank for months. Karma is quiet. You just become it. 14th. Level up your inner circle. Find men who don't envy you, who don't use you, who tell you the truth without disrespect. Brotherhood makes your glow up permanent. 15. Smile like you never knew them. The ultimate revenge isn't rage, it's indifference. Nothing shatters a person more than knowing you moved on without flinching. Smile, walk past them, and never look back. This world doesn't owe you respect. It only gives it when you demand it with presence, discipline, and dominance. Stop being the doormat. Be the damn door they're never allowed to knock on again. Let your silence echo louder than their apologies ever could. Make them regret it, not by revenge, but by becoming unreachable.